The search for a COVID-19 vaccine. We've seen the trials. They started with some already put on pause. And it's a lot to track with this all-important research.
Tonight, our Faye Fredericks goes one-on-one with a scientist racing to develop a vaccine, and his work going on right here in Arizona.
The jagged peaks and icy blue waters of Antarctica, where penguins still outnumber people. The last place on the planet where COVID-19 hasn't taken hold. 8,747 miles away, here in sunny Arizona, local researchers are among those racing the clock to develop a vaccine. And governments are betting billions to secure enough doses once regulators approve a safe and effective version. The World Health Organization is tracking more than 170 potential candidates. 11 are now in final phase 3 trials.
We study antibody responses, and antibody responses are really what vaccines are designed to generate.
Think of it as teaching the immune system what to target, says Dr. John Alton of the nonprofit Translational Genomic Research Institute, better known as TGen.
Really, it's about in what form is the virus presented to the immune system.
Each vaccine takes a slightly different approach. TGen is working with the Research and Treatment Center City of Hope on a vaccine candidate, targeting a small region of the now infamous spike protein.
We all get exposed to coronaviruses every year, but these are not the dangerous ones. These are the common cold coronavirus. We have some evidence that some of these regions are actually very similar between the pandemic virus and these common cold viruses.
Moderna's vaccine, he says, is an RNA-based system.
So it's giving instructions to the immune system of how to make that virus, how to make part of that virus, and then how to respond to it.
AstraZeneca's, meanwhile, is using what's called a viral vector system.
It takes advantage of a different virus, a harmless virus, and uses that virus to deliver information from the SARS-CoV-2, the COVID-19 virus, to the body.
What researchers still don't know is how different individual immune systems, young, old, various ethnicities, will respond.
People differ, and their immune responses differ. And we don't want a vaccine that works for some but not others. And we don't know that until we've released it. Basically, we need to learn that at the front end as soon as we can.
Whatever the winning formula, Dr. Alton says Americans should feel confident it will be safe and effective, and certainly far less dangerous than catching COVID-19 on your own. Faye Fredericks, ABC 15, Arizona.
Well,